Hi everybody, happy weekend! It is Birdie and welcome to my channel at Positive Bluebird. I found this heart in the sky today and I just decided let's get crafting and let's finish this project already. I actually worked on it for about maybe 4 days in a row, and sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to do some of these projects because of pain levels that I suffer from, but you know what? I got the project done. So what I did was I started with these 3 boxes. They are hot chocolate, tea, and apple cider boxes that my son purchases online. And I stapled and glued them together. Then I took dark green paint and ivory and mix them together, and as you can see, I'm just blending it all over the entire box, so I might have different types of sage green or teal or dark green, and it's going to turn out really nice. This is a very simple project that anybody at any age can do. And I apologize ahead, you guys, that my fast motion speed is not working on here on the editor. I tried it multiple times, so hopefully you're not really doing anything major. So this is going to be about a 12-minute video. So here is the final result on the front of this box. It's a nice sage green. And then what I did with this construction paper is I had extra paint that was kind of poured on a paper plate for a different project. So I had taken some construction paper and just dabbed it on top of the mixed paint and let it dry, and then I cut it so that I can use these paper scraps for future projects such as this one. Now I'm taking Mod Podge and I'm just going to paint it with this old paintbrush all on the back side, and it will stick a lot better than the Elmer's glue. And then I'm going to take the Mod Podge later and I'm going to seal in the entire box to help protect the paint. Okay, next I found some ribbon in a drawer, and I've got crafts and scraps and paper products and ribbon and glue just in any box that you can find or every drawer in my bedroom. So I just recycle and reuse everything. Alright, so I'm going to hot glue this ribbon on here. And it's a perfect length for both edges here in the front. And again, I apologize, I can't do this in fast motion. I tried. Sometimes this video show editor is not working very good. But oh well, who cares, right?